What types of goods are mentioned as being bought in a market? A. Exclusively agricultural products. B. Primarily services. C. Only luxury items. D. Groceries, clothing, electronics. The correct answer is D. Groceries, clothing, electronics. A representative of the Anglo-Indian community is nominated to which body by the Ghana? A. The Presidential Cabinet. B. The Parliament. C. The State Legislative Assembly. D. The High Court. The correct answer is C. The State Legislative Assembly. What does the right of conscience allow citizens to have? A. Freedom of ideas. B. Freedom to form unions. C. Freedom to employ children. D. Freedom to bear arms. The correct answer is A. Freedom of ideas. Which school is M. Murugesan associated with? A. GHS, Vetriyur. B. G.G.H.S.S, Puthupalayam. C. RC Government, GHSS, Ondipudur. D. PUMS, Petvelankottagam. The correct answer is D. PUMS, Petvelankottagam. What is unique to a group and fostered by social patterns? A. Individual talents. B. Group identity. C. Political views. D. Economic status. The correct answer is B. Group identity. What historical event highlighted the inadequacy of previous efforts to protect individual rights from government violations? A. The Second World War. B. World War I. C. The Cold War. D. The French Revolution. The correct answer is A. The Second World War. Which entity is responsible for the protection and promotion of human rights in India? A. Parliamentary Oversight Committee. B. State Human Rights Commission. C. Judicial Review Board. D. National Human Rights Commission. The correct answer is D. National Human Rights Commission. How does the state aim to maintain relations between nations? A. By maintaining just and honorable relations. B. Through military coercion. C. By establishing economic blocs. D. Through cultural assimilation. The correct answer is A. By maintaining just and honorable relations. What is the length of the Bangladesh-India Friendship Pipeline? A. 130 kilometers. B. 150 kilometers. C. 180 kilometers. D. 100 kilometers. The correct answer is A. 130 kilometers. Who was given voting rights in India at the same time women were getting voting rights in other countries? A. Government officials. B. Women. C. All citizens. D. The wealthy. The correct answer is D. The wealthy. Which of the following is mentioned as a primary activity related to animals? A. Pet grooming. B. Horse breeding. C. Poultry farming. D. Cattle rearing. The correct answer is D. Cattle rearing. What term describes the state of being brothers? A. Brotherhood. B. Humanitarian. C. Harmony. D. Nationality. The correct answer is A. Brotherhood. At what type of international conferences does the Prime Minister represent India? A. Bilateral trade agreements. B. Commonwealth, non-aligned nations, and SAARC. C. Only UN General Assemblies. D. G7 and G20 summits only. The correct answer is B. Commonwealth, non-aligned nations, and SAARC. To ensure safety while using school transportation, what is recommended regarding departure time? A. Leave home just before the bus arrives. B. Leave home whenever you feel ready. C. Wait until the bus is in sight before leaving. D. Get up early and start early from home. The correct answer is D. Get up early and start early from home. What is the process of converting raw materials into finished goods called? A. Marketing. B. Manufacturing. C. Distribution. D. Extraction. The correct answer is B. Manufacturing. The Lion capital is a significant part of which historical structure? A. Ashoka Pillar. B. Red Fort. C. Taj Mahal. D. Gateway of India. The correct answer is A. Ashoka Pillar. How have the benefits of growth spread in the socio-economic field? A. They have only benefited high-income districts. B. They have only benefited low-income districts. C. They have been spread evenly. D. They have not been spread evenly. The correct answer is D. They have not been spread evenly. Besides checking the traffic light, what else is mentioned as a condition for making a turn? A. The road must be empty. B. The turn must not be prohibited by signs. C. Pedestrians must not be present. D. Other vehicles must be turning too. The correct answer is B. The turn must not be prohibited by signs. In a leap year, when does the national calendar year begin? A. 29th February. B. 22nd March. C. 21st March. D. 1st April. The correct answer is C. 21st March. What is the marriageable age for women according to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? A. 25. B. 18. C. 20. D. 21. The correct answer is D. 21. What type of connection do Nepali and Indian people primarily make to each other's countries? A. Educational exchanges. B. Sporting events. C. Religious pilgrimage. D. Economic ventures. The correct answer is C. Religious pilgrimage. Who appoints the Chief Minister and Council of Ministers in a state? A. The President. B. The Governor. C. The Advocate General. D. The Prime Minister. The correct answer is B. The Governor. Who is included in the 15% restriction on the number of the Council of Ministers? A. Only Cabinet Ministers. B. The Prime Minister and all ministers. C. Only Ministers of State. D. Only the Prime Minister. The correct answer is B. The Prime Minister and all ministers. What characteristic should the horn not have? A. Shrill. B. Soft. C. Quiet. D. Melodious. The correct answer is A. Shrill. The application is titled around what concept? A. State capitals. B. Constitution of India. C. National symbols. D. World geography. The correct answer is C. National symbols. What is one type of natural disaster mentioned that can occur on a massive scale? A. D. Wildfires. B. C. Earthquakes. C. B. Tornadoes. D. A. Volcanic eruptions. The correct answer is B. C. Earthquakes. What does the state's role involve concerning human rights? A. To suppress individual choices. B. To ensure people have unequal rights. C. To remove all inherent rights. D. To ensure people have equal rights. The correct answer is D. To ensure people have equal rights. To whom are ministers responsible or answerable for the Assembly's activities? A. The President. B. The people. C. The Governor. D. The Legislative Assembly. The correct answer is D. The Legislative Assembly. What was Sudhar watching on television? A. An animated series. B. A sports game. C. A news program. D. A documentary. The correct answer is A. An animated series. Who performs the duties of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha if the chairman is unavailable? A. The Chief Justice of India. B. The Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. C. The Prime Minister. D. The President. The correct answer is B. The Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. How did you score?